Hey, Kevin here from selfreliantlife.com, and welcome to this week's episode of Coffee with Kevin. And I got a really great question from Gloria, and she's down in Nevada, and she wanted to know, can you really build your own house yourself legally? And the answer is, first of all, I would check with my planning department in my area that I'm wanting to build in. But in most states, I'm going to say, and I'm in Washington State, you're allowed to build your own home and act as your own general contractor on your build. So when I say general contractor, that means you may not be doing all the work yourself, but you're allowed to oversee and operate as the builder, as an owner builder. And so you don't have to have a license to do that. You do need to be permitted, just like anybody else would. So you're going to have to submit plans and follow codes and go through the inspection process just like a general contractor would. What's nice is, in my state, this holds true, and you just need to check with your planning department where you're at. A lot of the contracting work that has to be done to a home some people have to have specialized licenses in order to perform those contracting tasks. So for instance, plumbing and electrical are specialty contractor. As a general contractor would not be able to do electrical and plumbing because they don't, unless they hold those licenses in addition to being a general contractor. But as a homeowner, you can do them all. You're allowed to do that. Now again, you still have to pass all the inspection points just like you would in any other contractor would. So, but that's the nice thing, is we're allowed as a homeowner or as an owner builder to build and or oversee the building of our own home. And what really helps out is that saves a lot of money, because if you're paying a general contractor, they're going to make a profit for doing the work. If you're paying other people, subcontractors and so forth, they're going to charge obviously for their labor as well as materials. And so the more of that you can do yourself, the more you're going to save money by only having a material cost and your own labor, which of course you're not charging yourself. So that adds to the value of your home immediately, and that's how you build a lot of equity right off the bat, is by building your home yourself rather than paying to have it done from the outside. So that's the answer. So I would check with my planning department for my municipality or the building department in the area that you want to build in. Could be city or county, and that way you can find out if that holds true, but it should be the case wherever you're at. So that's the answer. Hope you found that valuable. If you have any other questions you'd like to submit them to kevin@aselfreliantlife.com. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the little bell, or click the little bell next to that. That'll let you find out immediately when our videos go live, so you can get on those updates right away and check out our videos. And with that, I will see you on the next Coffee with Kevin.